Welcome back my YouTube channel, Old Coin Zee Collection, where we uncover the rarest and most valuable coins in the world. Today, we have something truly extraordinary to talk about, something that will make you rethink the value of your spare change. Right here in my hand is a 1976 Australian 20-cent coin. While it might look like an ordinary coin, don't be fooled. This little piece of currency could be worth an astounding $7.5 million. Yes, you heard that right. $7.5 million. We're going to explore everything you need to know about this incredible coin, from its design to its history, and why it's worth so much. Let's dive right in. First things first, you might be wondering, what makes the 1976 Australian 20-cent coin so valuable? After all, it's just a coin, right? But this particular coin is no ordinary piece of currency. It has a rare mistake that turned it into a treasure worth millions. This error coin is often called the 1976 20-cent mule. Now, I can already hear some of you asking, what's a mule coin? Great question. Let me explain that a mule coin is a rare type of coin that is produced using mismatched dies. Usually, each coin is struck using a pair of dies that match the coin's design. One die for the front and one for the back. However, in this case, the 1976 Australian 20-cent coin was struck with a 20-cent reverse die and a 50-cent obverse die. This created a coin with the correct size and weight of the 20-cent piece, but with a 50-cent design on the head side. And that, my friends, is what makes it a mule. Before we go into why this error coin is so valuable, let's take a step back and learn a bit about the history of the Australian 20-cent coin itself. The Australian 20-cent coin was first introduced in 1966 as part of Australia's decimal currency system. The design was meant to represent the nation's flora and fauna, and it featured a depiction of an Australian lyrebird on the reverse side. Over the years, the 20-cent coin has undergone some changes, including a redesign in 1981. However, the 1976 issue with the mule error is what really gets collectors excited. Let me show you the typical 20-cent coin design. But remember, the 1976 version is different. It has the correct lyrebird design on the back, but the front or obverse is where the real mystery lies. Instead of the usual portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, you see the 50-cent design instead. Now that we understand what a mule coin is, let's get back to why this error coin is worth so much money. When the 1976 20-cent mule coins were discovered, they were considered a major mistake. The Royal Australian Mint initially struck these coins and quickly realized that something had gone wrong with the dies. They then recalled most of the mules and melted them down. However, a few of them managed to escape, and these surviving coins have since become one of the most sought-after rarities in the numismatic world. So, there are very few of these coins left, which is why their value has skyrocketed. The last known sale of a 1976 20-cent mule coin went for a record-breaking $7.5 million, and that's not an exaggeration. The rarity combined with the unique error makes this coin one of the most expensive Australian coins in existence today. Now, you might be thinking, I have a 1976 20-cent coin, but how do I know if it's a mule? Let's walk through the key differences that will help you spot this rare coin if you're lucky enough to have one. First, check the obverse side of the coin. The regular 20-cent coin will have a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. However, the mule will feature the larger portrait from the 50-cent coin. Next, look for the overall size of the coin. Mule coins have the same diameter as the 20-cent piece, but the obverse design will stand out because it's meant for a larger coin. Take a close look at the fine details of the Queen's portrait, the legends, and the spacing between the elements. If it doesn't match the 20-cent design and looks more like the 50-cent version, you could be looking at a mule. Now, let's say you do find one of these incredibly rare mule coins. What should you do next? Well, the first thing you want to do is protect the coin properly. Store it in a coin holder, such as a 2x2 holder or a certified acrylic capsule. To ensure it stays in excellent condition, that you'll also want to get the coin appraised by a professional numismatist. They can confirm whether or not you have a legitimate Mule coin. And if you do, you'll need to get it certified by a reputable grading company like PCGS or NGC. This certification process is crucial because it verifies the authenticity of the coin and can significantly increase its value. Coins like the 1976 20-cent Mule are valuable not only because of their rarity, but also because of their unique history and the stories behind them. Collectors are often willing to pay top dollar for coins that are part of a rich historical narrative. Plus, some coins have cultural significance or are tied to important events, like Australia's decimalization process in 1966. The world of coin collecting can be as thrilling as it is lucrative, and this 1976 20-cent Mule coin proves that sometimes the smallest mistakes can lead to the biggest rewards. Before we wrap up, let me leave you with this. If you're into coin collecting or just curious about the history of currency, always keep an eye out for those hidden treasures. And if you have a 1976 20-cent coin, don't rush to spend it at the store just yet. You might be holding a rare gem worth millions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an exciting episode of Old Coin Zee Collection. Let us know in the comments. Do you have any rare coins hiding in your collection? We'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on collecting.